To make your Barbie or Ken selfie poster, go to description and click on the link given below. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Start. After that, you will have two options. Either you can click a photo from camera or upload a photo from gallery. I'll upload a photo from gallery. After uploading a photo, click on Continue. Now you will have three options. From first, you can position your selfie. From second, you can change the background color. And from third, you can add your text. Now after this, click on Continue. Now long press on the photo and then you can download. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.